incredible viewers, still on LCM. In our previous video, we spoke about two methods of solving for LCM. In this video, we are going to explore another method of solving for LCM, which is division method. Division method. Now, let's look at an example together. Example. Find the LCM of 24 and 36. Solution. Then the next one, 36. Now look for what can divide any of these numbers without a remainder. The least number that can divide them. So the next number is 2. 2 in 24 will give you 12. 2 in 36 will give you 18. The next number, 2, can still go. 2 in 12 will give you 6. 2 in 18 will give you 9. Now looking at this 2, 2 can still go. It will go into 6 without a remainder. So 2 into 6, 3. 2 into 9, it will give you a remainder. So you just write 9. Now the next thing that can go is 3. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 9, 3. So we can still use 3. 3 into 1, 1. 3 into 3, 1. So come here. Our LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times these 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 8 times 3 rather, 24. 24 times 3, 72. So our LCM is equal to 72. Now let's look at another example together. Now let's find the LCM of 36 and 48. Solution. So we say 36, 48. Now, what can divide these two things that will not leave a remainder? 2 can go. 2 into 36 will give you 18. 2 into 48 will give you 24. 2 into 18 will give you 9. 2 into 24 will give you 12. Now 2 can still go. 2 into 9, it cannot. You write a 9. 2 into 12 will give you 6. Now the next thing that can still go is 2. 2 into 9 cannot. 2 into 6 will give you 3. Now the next thing that can go is 3. 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 1, 1. So our LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times this 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is equals to 144. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.